What would be a perfect comfort food for a rainy day? Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at the world-famous DIN TAI FUNG at the second level of SM City, North EDSA, Quezon City. According to food historians, DIN TAI FUNG was founded in 1958 as a cooking oil retail shop and transformed into a restaurant business in 1972. The restaurant lets diners to experience the authentic flavors of Taiwan with a variety of menus including appetizers, Xiao pot stickers and snacks, vegetable dishes, featured dishes, fried rice, soups and noodle soups, sauce and fried noodles, hot and cold desserts, and drinks. DIN TAI FUNG is internationally known and has received numerous awards, including the prestigious One Michelin Star for 5 consecutive years since 2010 at its Hong Kong branch. In the open kitchen, diners can see how the chefs individually made the handmade dough for the dumplings, each piece creatively shaped and folded near piles of bamboo steamers. We first tried their world-famous bestseller, served in a traditional bamboo steamer basket. The brand specialty is a thin-layered, beautifully folded dough with a gelatinous pork filling that when cooked contains a small amount of liquid or soup inside the wrapper, thus making a soup dumpling called Xiao. The bite-sized dumplings are meaty and made more flavorful with a soy vinegar dipping sauce and some fine strands of ginger that tantalize our taste buds. The steamed shrimp and pork siomai, made with fresh shrimp ingredients, adds life to the dish, making it equally delicious. We indulge in a warm bowl of hearty braised beef noodle soup, a serving of half tendon and half meat, and al dente noodles with a mildly spicy blend of spices that make a savory noodle soup. also tried the shrimp and pork wonton noodle soup. The wontons, or small dumplings, have pork as the main ingredient, but the shrimp gives the wontons a more flavorful taste and texture. Other dishes we tried are their featured dishes, like the appetizingly good sweet and sour pork, which is well made, crisp on the outside yet tender inside, topped with a well-balanced sweet and sour sauce, along with the delicious crispy chicken cutlet with a special sauce. Which goes well with the tasty shrimp fried rice and the fragrant fried rice with sweet garlic and scallions. All the dishes we tried and tasted were flavorful and satisfying, making our hungry tummies full. Over the years, Din Tai Fung has over 100 branches worldwide and has also gained as one of the top 50 restaurants in the world. So if you want a taste of something good and world-class, be it rain or shine, secure your spot early at Din Tai Fung, as locals and tourists always queue outside when most of their branches are fully booked to taste their exquisite Taiwan dishes. See you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.